Sir, there is another pattern of concentration of power in Delhi. Every piece of legislation in this country has got this tendency, sir. Sir, you brought in this new bill, which was to scrap Mandrega. The 40% burden has been heaped on the states. Now, on the one count, you garner resources which are not part of the receipt pool. Cess and surcharge. Today, in an answer given to me, the government says that they are going to garner 6,30,000 crore as cess and surcharge. Today only. What does it mean? You don't need to give a share of that to the states, sir. Sir, the rural distress, which you cannot discard or dismiss, sir. The rural distress. Sir, I am allowed by the
time is over.
Sir, I am allowed.
Time is over.
Sir, please understand, sir. I am allowed 2 minutes more. Sir, please ask them.
You are a member of the BSc. You only have allotted time. Your time is over.
Sir, last subject we didn't speak. An honorable chairman said you can take 3 more minutes. That's what I am speaking. You can check with the officer. Sir, now there is a rural distress that is happening, sir. When I say so, there is a huge migration that is happening from many of the states. I was just checking the migrant labor map, sir. Sir, from UP alone, from UP alone, 3 crore people have migrated. From Bihar, 2.5 crore people have migrated. The BJP leaders always say that the young people go from Kerala, the skilled people go for good employment, sir. But we are hosting 35 lakh guest workers in Kerala, sir.
Thank you.
Sir,
your time is over.
I'm winding up, sir. Winding up.
I'm calling the next speaker.
Sir, I'm winding up. So my request to this government is that please do justice to the rural India.